All right, so today we're going to be looking at an arrival of a 757. Let's see if they could actually follow all safety procedures. You have the wind walker in position. So is the other one. Here is the aircraft. Wind walkers. This one has proper hand signals. This one is lacking a little bit, but he's fine. I can't see the marshaller from here. There he is. Looks like he's all right. And here is the aircraft coming in. So this guy already stopped with the hand signals while the aircraft is still moving, so that was a failure. They just shocked the front nose gear. Looks like they are going to touch the tow bar, and I do see the little bypass pin in the nose gear that prevents the captain from moving the nose wheel. Because if they don't have that pin inside, it's going to be a big issue. There goes the jet bridge. They were guiding the bell loader. I saw that, so that's good. But they opened the bin without having the real chocks on yet, as you can see there. Connecting the jet tug to the tow bar with the guide person, that's good. All right. They still gotta track this gear here. And I haven't seen someone do a walk around yet. Oh, there she goes doing the walk around. Well, she's not really looking. She's talking to someone else, so she's walking around the aircraft looking for any dents or any damages on the aircraft. There goes the tail cone. This guy looks like he has boxers on. And there goes the ALA doing the lead agent doing the walk around, looking up, looking at the aircraft as she's supposed to. Bell loader is being guided in to the back. These here are the cabin cleaners. They're going to do that quick clean before as passengers are coming out, just so that they could get the aircraft out on time. As far as the bell loader in the back, they have to raise that handrail in the back. Let me see if they do that. And that's for safety purposes, so that nobody falls off as they're climbing up. And there goes the handrail. Come on, you could do it. Yep, there we go. And now the lab truck. So I will give this audit a 80% pass rate. Let's go check out the next one.